Hello guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're unboxing the TYT Winch. So let's get started, my friends. So guys, this is 1200 pounds, so it can handle a lot of weight. And they've designed this extremely simple that anybody can use it. So guys, what you do is you take this bolt off right here, just like that. And then you're gonna push this bracket up as far as you can up to the frame here, and then you're going to place this piece right in here and then thread this back on. Make sure this is tight when you're done. So my friends, this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna have this piece on like this. It's gonna go right on like that, and then you're gonna put the bolt right back on. So guys, there were no other bolts in the box, so this is all that came with it. So you're going to want to buy bolts, and you're going to want to bolt it down on whatever you are doing. So as you guys can see, pulling capacity 1200 pounds. Now for using this, if you want to pull it, so if you want to pull out your line, what you do is you go here and you pull this back. See this pin? You pull that back. Once you pull that back, now you can pull it. So obviously it would be mounted on something, so you would pull this and it would allow you to just keep pulling it. Or you could do it this way. And that allows you to take from the strap, and then if you push it back up, so if you push this pin back up, that allows you to now turn it the other way. And pull your strap right back. So again, to recap, my friends, you pull the pin towards you, and now that allows you to turn it and loosen it up. You then push the pin up here forward. That allows you to turn it the other way. Very simple, my friends, very simple.